Hello students, today's topic is very much important not only in the view of industry but also it is for every now and then for our daily life. It is safety management not only in industry but for daily routine also the safety is much more important. Now let us go to industrial scenario. Right from oil free sloping, oil free tiling and oil free environment to all the important instruments like firefighting, we must take care of these small and big things, because in industries there are many hazardous things on shop floor like oil grease and other things. Also there are many chemicals, many issues, many vehicles, the sharp edged tools and machine tools which are moving objects. So safety management is very much important in the view of industrial scenario. Industrial accidents are much hazardous and the many important lives as well as lakhs of rupees can be in trouble due to these industrial accidents. You might be aware from media reports that Bhopal gas tragedy was a major nightmare in the history of Indian industries. Smallest of smallest accident can take a major hazard and one cannot say that particular life is of so and so rupees. Anyone's life cannot be compared with money, so industrial accident is very big issue and that is why industrial safety is much more important. Though there is much more awareness created, still every minute there is some industrial accident throughout the world. One or more lives, as per reports, 3 lives taken by accident due to industrial not awareness or negligence or some other work in or some other reason in industrial safety. So you must be aware about this important topic which is known as industrial safety management. Let us take some daily example. Even we are well aware of switching off the gas knob before we are going to sleep, and that is the smallest measure or the important measure, not the smallest, it is important measure which is needed for our daily life also. So you must be aware which small work can save us, and this is known as safety management. Daily before going to sleep we have to switch off the knob. This is one type of safety management. So there must be checklist like this in our industrial environment. Boiler accidents are dangerous one. One can be take this idea from our daily pressure cooker which we used in our day to day life in our house. That is nothing but a smallest industrial or smallest type of boiler, and if that blast, that can be hazardous to life as well as wealth. So each and every organization should take this moral responsibility voluntarily and compulsorily in order to ensure the safety of each and every personnel irrespective of his working grade, because everyone's life is important as his whole entire family is depending on that particular person. So one cannot compare that person A is less wealthy or it is on so and so grade, and that is why his life is of that much caliber. So one cannot have that much that type of comparison, and that is why each and every person's life should be saved using these safety management tools. So modern safety management tools started its movement in early 20th century. The importance of industrial safety management arises due to there are numerous or say millions of accidents happen every year in industrial scenario. It causes death or temporary or permanent disablement or dangerous to wealth also. Not only this, there are indirect effects of accidents also that reduces the morale of employees to work in such environment. So accidents are having direct and indirect cost like above mentioned things. Like in India, many countries have stricter laws regarding workman environment, regarding safety and regarding all these environment conditions and all these safety management rules. Careless workmanship changed to responsible workmanship due to safety management. Safety begins from myself is also a motto of safety management. What is need of safety? Because it increases the rate of production, it reduces the cost directly and indirectly. Due to reduced damage, it reduces the equipment cost also and machinery cost, preventing good healthy environment to skilled workers, which is also the asset for organization. Also, in worst case, it prevents death of very skilled labor, thereby preventing the loss to an organization. Preventing temporary or permanent disablement to workers, and indirectly it increases the morale of employees and creates good environment. Many times you may see there is a board or banner outside the department that so and so days of non-accident working. Also, they written a statistic of small and major accidents. It increases the morale, also it creates awareness among the employees. What is importance of safety? Logically, it is very important in order to save property as well as life. Property can be created, but life cannot be. So, to prevent the loss of life, temporary, permanent disablement, to create a good environment, to create a goodwill, one must prevent accident as far as possible in all the cases. No case of accident due to negligence should be there. Also, no one wants to work in such environment where there are chances of accidents. So, it is important to create a fearless environment so that skilled labor and educated labor as well as experienced labor can be attracted to such organizations. Then who is responsible? As earlier said, everyone's responsibility is a safety, but in small organization, supervisor can be made responsible because he is a little aware person of all these things, and supervisor is nothing but diploma grade engineer. So, your job is to create a safety awareness. Each supervisor may report to top management regarding all measures about safety management. In the wake of increasing production, one should not neglect the safety measures because it may be the great cause where accidents can happen. One may take example of our daily life. While going to some place in a hurry, always one should avoid rash driving because that is the main concern, main reason for the accident. So, such things in industry also should be avoided, and supervisor has to be made responsible in order to avoid such instances. In medium scale organization, safety manager post can be created who should organize some competitions, some logo design competition, some safety measures, some programs, functions, safety awareness camps, training camps, exhibitions and all other things. Also, he should regularly check whether the insurance for all the concern is made or not. Safety committee should be set up in an organization in order to enhance the safety awareness. Who is responsible for safety? It is a bit difficult answer, but everyone is aware of safety. It is not individual's task, it is common teamwork. If there is a sleepy floor, then this is the big cause of accident. One should immediately report about such sleepy, oily surfaces and thereby reducing small or major accidents. No one is voluntarily ready to spend amount for non-important work which is directly not contributing to profit. That is why safety acts are involved in industrial acts. So, different safety measures should be voluntarily or compulsorily must be taken by safety management and individual teams also, like oil free floors, gloves, guards, safety equipments, sufficient passages around machinery, safety goggles whenever necessary, safety shields which whenever necessary, training about how to handle emergency situations, training about how to handle firefighting equipments, regular awareness camps, safety circles, motivational awards in the work of accident avoidance, helmets, safety instruction boards at all the places, and that is too readable. These all are very important things. In addition to this, in the very initial stage, the organization should take care of the insurance of all the employees, and that is also regularly renewed and in sufficient amount. So, students, safety is much more important in daily life as well as industrial life also. While working in industries, initially take care of all these safeties in order to take care of your life as well as many costly machines as well as other personnel's safety too.